kitchen. Today we are making a chocolate caramel almond butter cup. I was going to say peanut butter, but you could substitute the almond butter for peanut butter. So it's 3 stages. You've got to make the cup, the filling, and then the top. So all I've done is I've taken some coconut oil. Now I don't usually use a lot of coconut oil. I find it's quite high in fat. So I use it very, very sparingly, and I usually substitute coconut oil for a very mild extra virgin olive oil. So you melt the oil with some cocoa powder and some maple syrup, and then you're going to line some muffin tins. Now I'm not making big muffin tins, I'm using mini ones, and I actually halved the recipe. And then all you want to do is you want to place the chocolate in the bottom of the muffin tins. Now if it's not a silicone one, you want to put some liners in there or some parchment papers to get it out. These ones will pop out. And then you're going to line the bottom of the muffin tins, and I'm going to freeze this, and this will be our cup. And I'm going to come back and we're going to make the caramel filling. So to make the caramel filling, we're going to take some almond butter, some almond milk and vanilla, and we're just going to mix all that up together. Now it looks very small because remember I halved the recipe. And then we're going to take some dates. Now we've soaked the dates in hot water, and then I've just finally I've minced them up, mixed them up because they're nice and soft. And we're going to mix all that together. Dates as well, when they've been in the fridge, I keep them in the fridge because they do go caramelizing in texture and they're delicious. So we're just going to mix all that up, and we're just going to set it aside, and then we're going to do the next step. And there you go. Okay, I'll be back and we'll continue on. Okay, so I've taken some almond butter, I've taken a little bit of honey because I didn't have maple syrup, and some almond flour, and I've mixed it up together and it's kind of pasty. And what you want to do is just drop, I've got 12 muffins, so you want to put 12 little pup-like blobs and freeze them, and they're going to go into on top of our little chocolate cake. So we're going to do that, we're going to freeze that, and then we're going to come back and put it all together. So I'm just making little dollops. Sumo's hoping so he could lick them all. And I'll be back and we'll put it all together. Okay, so let's put it all together. So the chocolate cups have melted, have frozen. I'm going to take a little bit of the blob. This is not completely frozen, so we're just going to pop it on top of our chocolate cup. Okay. All right. Now, if it's frozen, if it's solid, it'll just pop on top. Mine's a little soft still because I didn't give it enough time, but it's very manageable to work. We're going to put that on directly on top of the chocolate cup. And then you're going to take some of that caramel filling and you're just going to put that on top of that. And mine are mini, so I think these are going to be very rich. I really don't think you need the big muffin tins. I think it's going to be way, way too much. And then all you want to do is drizzle some chocolate on top. Now I always mix a little bit of olive oil on my chocolate. It just makes it shinier and easier. And there you go. That's it. So it's a little fiddly in the 3 stages to do, but it really doesn't take that long. I'm going to pop it out so you'll be able to see a picture of it. I don't know if it'll come out now. It might not be quite ready. Then you want to keep them in the freezer so they don't melt. But I will post a picture of these chocolate caramel almond butter cups. Enjoy.